All right, daily math review number 1. So Ayana read 40 books for the readathon. She read 30% historical fiction and 20% sports stories. The rest were mysteries. How many mysteries did Ayana read? All right, so first of all, she read 40 books for the readathon. 30% were historical fiction, 20% were sports stories, and the rest were mysteries. So first of all, we're trying to figure out how many mysteries she read. So our mysteries, we don't know how many mysteries, but we do know she read 40 books total. So we're going to have X out of 40. But the percent for mysteries, we need to take this 30% and this 20%, and we need to subtract both of them from 100 because 100% is everything total, right? 20% were sports stories, so minus 20%, and then minus 30%, which is going to be then the historical fiction stories, and then we'll get the percent for mysteries. So the 100% total, the 20% were sports, 30% history. All right, so 100 minus 20 is going to be 70 minus, or 80 minus 30 is going to be 50. So we'll have 50% left. So we're going to have 50% out of the 100%. Now we can solve this. So 100 times x is 100x. 40 times 50. 4 times 5 is 20. Put those 2 zeros there. Now let's divide both sides by 100. Alrighty, so x is going to equal, well, I can cancel out a 0, I can cancel out another 0. So x is going to equal, 20. 20 divided by 1 is 20. So 20 is going to be our answer. 20 mysterious books. Or mysteries, I should say. 20 mysteries. 20 mystery books is what you can put if you'd like. And that is it for our DMR number 1. Great job!